Here I have SONY Xperia XZ2 Compact, and let me show you how to reset network settings on the following device. So at the very beginning, let me start by using the home screen. Find and select the apps icon. Then let's choose the settings. Scroll down to the bottom of the list and let's select System. From the following options you have to choose the Reset, and now select Reset Network Settings. So this will reset all network settings including the Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. If you are aware of this and you would like to still accomplish that operation, choose Reset Settings, and to confirm everything tap Reset Settings one more time. Network settings have been reset, you may go back and start using and enjoying the default network settings. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.